Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Chev. Welcome to Hero 1 Cars and the first installment of the Zero to Hero series, where we're going to take this crusty old WRX wagon and turn it into a hero. So, this is my 2004 WRX wagon. This car was my daily driver from 2013 till 2019, and it just got to the point where it needed a lot of maintenance, and I ended up parking it for the past 2 years. So, it's back in my possession now, but it's definitely seen it. It's a good amount of wear sitting out in the elements like it has been, and it has started to develop some rust. So yeah, just to give a little bit of context to this car, uh, I'm the second owner. I bought it from the first owner, who always had it serviced at Subaru. It's never been in an accident before, so it's super straight. It does have a replacement engine in it that the previous owner had a shop put in quite a while ago. So yeah, it's pretty much overdue for everything. I'm sure the timing belt is all cracked up, and the exhaust needs to be gone through, and pretty much everything. So I figured this would be a good time to make some videos for you guys, and I'm gonna completely overhaul this entire car. So we're gonna go through it mechanically. We're gonna do the paint and body, rust repair, um, and we're also going to be putting some go fast goodies on it too, so I'll show you those in a minute. But overall, it's a super solid car, and I was thinking of just selling it and moving on to something else, but after getting it back here, it just really reminded me of how much I like this car, and it deserves to have um, all the modifications that I've always planned on doing to it. So yeah, this is it. So I'm just gonna keep it in one piece for quite a while I work on this engine. This is the same EJ20 that's already in the car, but I already have it. So mechanically, I'm gonna go through this, remove the heads, do the timing belt, clean up the case, and get as much done before I touch the WRX as I can. So yeah, that is going to probably be the first few episodes of just going through this engine. Um, and if we go over here, you can see the parts I've collected over the years. So I got a Grimspeed up pipe, a Turbo XS down pipe, a Perrin inlet, and then this is a STI turbo, I believe a VF39, and this only has 50,000 miles on it. Along with this Cobb Access Port V3, so I can do all my tuning. In stock form, this WRX is kind of slow. I mean, it's quick, but it's still slow. When I bought it, you know, it was the holy grail, all-wheel drive, turbocharged car, 5-speed. So, yeah, this is like my first real quote-unquote performance car, but you know, it's still kind of slow, and after putting these mods on, it should wake it up quite a bit and be a pretty fast car. So yeah, let's just walk around for a minute here. So yeah, this first episode is going to be kind of just me talking about the car, so you guys have context about the car and understand it. Because I mean, every car has its own story. So yeah, this one is these the front fenders, the bottom's rusted out on them, so I put these sedan fenders on here, which I like. I don't know, I like it either way. I like the wagon fenders and I like the sedan fenders, so I'm probably just gonna stick with the sedan fenders though, because I already have them and I don't have to source a new set of fenders. I'm not gonna do the wide body rear like you see some people do, but because that's just way more work than I want to do. I already have way more work than I anticipated. So yeah, we got the sedan fenders. overall the body's pretty clean and straight. I got this rear rust here we're gonna have to address, and not to mention the rear strut towers, which may or may not be rusted out. It's a pretty common problem with these cars, so we're gonna have to take a look at that. But yeah, as you guys can see, this thing is field fresh. It's kind of sad seeing it in this state. I'll throw up a picture of what it looked like back in its heyday, and you can see all the paint is pretty much perfect, and yeah, no rust. But yeah, we're gonna give this car what it deserves. Show you the interior. Pretty clean interior. Sitting in it again really takes me back, and it is a super fun car to drive. So here, let me pop the hood. So there was an animal living under my hood. Not sure what it was, but he tore up my whole... One second. He tore up my entire hood liner and made a nest out of it. So when I parked this car, it was a running, driving car. And one day I took it for a test drive just to get all the fluids going, and I parked it and it wouldn't start again. So there's an unknown issue right now that I don't know about, but it's something I gotta figure out, which I don't know, could just be a fuse or something, but I'm gonna be taking the entire engine out anyways, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, this engine supposedly has about 60,000 miles less than what's on the body of the car. The body has 170,000 on it, so you know, it's up there, but it's still a good car. But yeah, this is the engine. Everything's kind of just getting wore out and not looking the best. So yeah, I think I have everything covered for this first episode. I really just wanted to get this video out there for you guys so you know what's coming. But yeah, WRX Wagon. What's cooler than that? Especially a fast wagon. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Please give it a like. Please subscribe. And it helps with the motivation to keep making these videos. So yeah, and not only is it good to make these videos, I'll have something to look back at, because after this car is done, I may or may not sell it. I don't know, but if I do sell it, I want to get as much money as I can for it. So the thing with these Subarus, they're very they're either like a super great running car that needs nothing, or it's a basket case. So if you can get them in great condition and running perfect, you can ask a premium for these cars. You can definitely ask over a Blue Book if you have a nice Subaru. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I don't know yet. Maybe when I get it all done, I'll not want to sell it. So yeah, this is the first installment of the Zero to Hero series. Stay tuned for more, and we'll catch you later.